everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Buzz. So today I am going to teach you divisibility rules. Now what do you mean by divisibility rules? The divisibility rules help us to check a number whether it is divisible by a particular number or not without doing actual division. Yes, it is possible. Suppose if I have written this number on a screen and if I ask you to check whether this is divisible by 8 or by 9 or by 10 or by 11, you can easily tell whether this number is divisible by those numbers or not without doing actual division. So before going further, subscribe our YouTube channel to get more updates. So watch this full video to learn divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now I have divided numbers into 4 families. So family number 1 is 2, 3 and 6, where the relations are 2 is the younger child and 3 is the adult child and 6 is the father of 2 and 3. Now in family number 2, 4 is younger brother and 8 is the elder brother. Now in family number 3, 3 is the younger brother and 9 is the elder brother. In the same way in family number 4, 5 is the younger brother and 10 is the elder brother. So students, with this story you will be learning divisibility test very easily. Now students, please note that odd number will never come in a table of even number. Now what does it mean? It means that for example if we take any even number like 6. So if we count the table of 6 at any number, for example 6 6 are 36 or 6 8 are 48. So we will never find any odd number in a table of 6. So we will not find any odd number in a table of even number. So note this point, it will help you a lot. Now let's start divisibility test. So the divisibility test of 2 says that if the last digit of a number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, or we can say if the last digit of a number is an even number, then the number is divisible by 2. So here I have written an example. Last digit of this number is 6. So we can say this number is divisible by 2. It is very simple. Now what is the divisibility test of 3? The divisibility test of 3 says that if you have a number, so you add all the digits of a number, and after adding, if you get the sum that is divisible by 3, then it is clear that the number is also divisible by 3. So I have written this example 5241. So if you add the digits of 5241, so you will get 12. So 12 is divisible by 3 because 3 4s are 12. Now the next is divisibility test of 4. Now what it says, if you have a number and if you choose the last 2 digits of a number and if they are divisible by 4, so it means the whole number, the number from which you have taken 2 digits is also divisible by 4. So here we have 524. So the last 2 digits of a number are 24. So if we check if 24 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, 24 is divisible by 4 because 6 4 is 24. Now let's see what is the divisibility test of 5. The divisibility test of 5 says that if the last digit of a number is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. It's very simple. So here in example, there is a number 7895 and the last digit is 5. So the number is divisible by 5. Suppose this is the number 61470. Now you will tell me that this number is divisible by 5 or not. Write in comment box. Now what is the divisibility test of 6? Now here the story of the family will help us. Now see, in family number 1, 2 is the younger child and 3 is the adult child and 6 is the father of 2 and 3. So consider this as 6 is the father of 2 and 3. So father says if the number is divisible by my younger child and it is also divisible by my elder child, then the number can be divisible by me. So the divisibility test of 6 is कि if the number is divisible by 2 and it must be divisible by 3 also, then only it is divisible by 6, because the father has highest privilege. And in case the number is divisible by only 3 or by 2 and it is not divisible by other numbers, so it will not be divisible by 6. Suppose I have written one example 3621. So this number is divisible by 3 but it is not divisible by 2, so it will not be divisible by 6. Now here we have divisibility test of 8. Now let's utilize family number 2. So in family number 2, 4 is the younger brother and 8 is the elder brother. Now what does it mean? Now recall what was the divisibility test of 4. It was like this, कि if the last 2 digit of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 8. Now here 8 is the elder brother of 4. So they both fight. Elder brother 8 says, nahi, you are using last 2 digits. I cannot use only 2 digits because I am elder. So I will use last 3 digits. So the divisibility test of 8 says कि if the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the number will also be divisible by 8. So here we have one example. So the last 3 digits of this number is 984. So if we check 984 is divisible by 8, so we can say 1, 2, 3, 984 is also divisible by 8. Now let's move to divisibility test of 9. Now 9 belongs to family number 3. Now let's see what is family number 3. Family number 3. In this family, 3 is the younger brother and 9 is the elder brother. Now what does it mean? Why I have created these type of families? They are just for remembering the kind of relationship we have, because in family number 2 we have seen the divisibility test of 4 and 8 are similar. In the same way, the divisibility test of 3 and 9 are similar. So what was the divisibility test of 3? It was to sum all the digits. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Now in the same way, if you have a number and if you have to check divisibility test of 9, so you have to add all the numbers, you have to add all the digits, and if you get the sum that is divisible by 9, then you can say it is divisible by 9. Now let's see the example. Here we have 8973. Now if we add all the digits of this number, we will get 27. Now 27 is divisible by 9. So we can say 8973 is also divisible by 9. Now what is the divisibility test of 10? It belongs to family number 4. Now here what does it mean? In family number 4, 5 is the younger brother and 10 is the elder brother. So what was the divisibility test of 5? We were checking last digit. If the last digit of a number is either 5 or 0, then the number was divisible by 5. Now in case of 10, we have to check whether the last digit of a number is 0. Then the whole number is also divisible by 10. So here we have one example, 78950. So the last digit of a number is 0. So it is very easy that we can easily judge that this number is divisible by 10. Now 11 does not belong to any family. So we have different method for finding divisibility test of 11. So for this, let's see an example. Suppose we have this 562243. Now what we have to do, we have to add alternate digits of this number. Alternate means we will start from first digit, then we will leave the next one, then we will take the next digit, and then we will leave the next digit, and then we will take another digit. So we will add the alternate digits. So in the first step, we added these digits 5, then 2, then 4. After that, in step number 2, we will take those digits that were left in step number 1. So we will add 6, then we will add 2, then we will add 3. Now what was the sum in the first step? It was 11, and in the second step it was also 11. So we will subtract them. So after subtracting we get 0. So if the difference of the sum is either 0 or in case you get a number that is divisible by 11, so you can say that the number is divisible by 11. I have written one more example in which we will find that the number is divisible by 11 or not. Now we will follow the same rule. First of all, we will add the alternate numbers that are like 5, then again 5, then 2. After that, we will take those digits that were left in step number 1. So the 7, then 9, then 7. So we get these numbers 23 and 12. Now we will subtract them. So 23 minus 12 is 11. So what I said, if you get the difference that if that is divisible by 11 or 0, then you can say that number is divisible by 11. Now I am leaving 3 numbers for you. You have to apply divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 on these 3 numbers separately and give me your answer in comment box. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें